Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I really thought about not posting this video, but I already did all the work. I edited it about 20 different times. I've uploaded this video about 20 something different times, and YouTube will not green light it. And it's been bumming me out, but I'm going to post the video anyway. I did it about a week ago. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to help the channel, you can become a channel member. Just go to the channel page and push join where it says channel membership. That would help huge. You can like and subscribe to the channel, or you can actually just repost this somewhere to your social media. Thank you guys so much, and post down below. Do you see what I did wrong, where I broke YouTube rules, where something I've done is so offensive? I don't think so. But yeah, post down below if you can spot why YouTube would not approve this video. What's going on, everybody? It is ammo run time. I have not done one of these videos, and I haven't done one of these videos in a while. I've heard that ammo is getting a little bit scarce at the local academies in Houston, Texas. So I'm down here at a brand new academy in Sugar Land. I've never been to this academy before, and I'm kind of excited. Hopefully they don't play music loud, because like I said in previous videos, if they play music, I'll get a copyright strike, so I can't really record audio inside these academies. So let's run into here. So let's run into this academy in Sugar Land, Texas, and see what they're all about. It's kind of a cool looking academy from the outside, so let's go. It's kind of a different looking academy. Nice. So if you follow me or follow the channel, you know I buy all my ammo at 2A Warehouse. That's the spot I go to in Houston, Texas. But I do like to stay up on, current prices. So let's go. Well, bad news, they have that music cranked up to the nines in here. I've never heard music this loud. I'm over hiding in the closed section, and it's just gonna be maybe I might do some overlay later, but it's pretty freaking loud in here. So let's go. I see the ammo way over there. I know the end caps right now look pretty empty. That's not a good sign. All right, really quick, that music is kind of toned down, but if you can see, there's lots of empty spots here. Look at all these empty spots. Lots of empty spots, and that's something new, because before they actually had absolutely packed ammo, and then they had end caps that were packed, and then they actually had a few academies I went to, they actually had a cart, an overflow cart with a ton of ammo stacked on top, and that was just 2 months ago. But now this is a lot more bare. So let's check some of these other prices. All right, another break in the music. Check this out. All this 22 is gone, and these prices are not that great, so it's pretty amazing that all this 22 is gone. And yeah, a lot of common calibers are starting to get a little bit thinner. Alright, another break in the music, and you can see they have a lot of selection of hunting calibers here, but 5.56 and 223 is lacking. I mean, look, that's a lot of empty spots for 5.56, 223, so rumors might be true. Some calibers are starting to dry up. That is obviously proof is in the pudding. And as far as shotgun shells, they have a plethora of all kinds of shotgun shells. They have, 20 gauge, 410 gauge. They got all the usual suspects here. So nothing too different on the shotgun shell side. But yeah, that is my quick ammo run at Academy in Sugar Land, Texas. I wasn't expecting to see so many holes, because if you went to an Academy probably about 2 months ago, there was 0 holes. I mean, they had ammo for days. So I'm going to check back in a few weeks. I talked to a guy that works here, and he said more and more people are buying the 5.56 and 223 lately in the last few months. 9mm is also flying off the shelf a little bit quicker. So he said the last 2 months, ammo is going a lot quicker. All right, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I have a ton of videos coming this next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate everyone, especially my channel sponsors here. Check these guys out. Very cool. Thank you so much for your support. Till next time, guys.